Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Facebook ad account, and in this video I will show you how to send advertiser requests or how you can add an advertiser role into your Facebook ad account. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your Facebook ad account. Having logged into your Facebook ad account, come down below right here where you see the setting icon right here. Go ahead and click on this particular setting icon. There's going to load up to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. And then here we go. You have add account roles. So how do you assign advertiser manager into your Facebook ad account? Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on add people right here. Then here we go. Then you can click on here, add account advertiser. Make sure this is checked. Okay. So add account advertiser is checked. Go ahead and enter the name of the friend right here. So having searched for the name of the friend, next thing you want to do is to make sure you go ahead and select their Facebook name. Once you select on their Facebook name, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on confirm right here. So go ahead and click on confirm, and advertiser request person added, and this is the person added. This person added to your ad account. Click on close. Now you can see them right here. They have been fully added as ad account advertiser. With that, they will have access to your Facebook ad account. They can create account. They can create ad for you, make payments for your ads, and edit your ads. They can do all sorts of things in your ad account. It's that simple. But before then, they need to make sure this particular contact here need to make sure they accept your advertiser request from their Facebook in their hand. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Facebook ad account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.